Weislach.
Why?
Stemachlastig.
I sisuchen achlastin. Stemachlastig.
In ketliuchtakstigen achlastin. Ha an ketliuchtaksken achlastig.
Lot achlastin I keliotaksgen. Ha I sisuchen achlastig.
Lot is in sisuchen achlastin. In ketliuchtakstigen achlastin. Why nenuis at weekendchen?
Why?
Why has halte pesnak seluch is quest koyakan utlahai Knxcutens and silkchenaks. Hello, good day my relatives. My name is Levi Bent and this is the help tutorial for N1. Today's lesson is 29, Stitem Theme, our clothing. Let's get right into it. Ho hoi, kuin chow chint. Repeat after me. Ha an lazmist achlastig. Ha an lazmist achlastig. Ki islach achlastin. Ki islach achlastin. Lot is geitlichen tachlastin. Lot is geitlichen tachlastin. Ha an kachen achlastig. Ha an kachen achlastig. Ki is in sisuchen achlastin. Ki is in sisuchen achlastin. Lot in ketliuchtakstigen achlastin. Lot in ketliuchtakstigen achlastin. Ha an ulkapu achlastig. Ha an ulkapu achlastig. Ki in quachken achlastin. Ki in quachken achlastin. Lot is sipichen tachlastin. Lot is sipichen tachlastin. Oh, tali haste skola puslap nach hoi we. Atzent pehis plimchinacha. Ha an lazmist achlastig. Ha an lazmist achlastig. Ki islach achlastin. Ki islach achlastin. Lot is geitlichen tachlastin. Lot is geitlichen tachlastin. Ha an kachen achlastig. Ha an kachen achlastig. Ki is in sisuchen achlastin. Ki is in sisuchen achlastin. Lot in ketliuchtakstigen tachlastin. Lot in kelliuch takstichen tachlastin. Ha an ulka pu achlastig. Ha an ulka pu achlastig. Ki in quachken achlastin. Ki in quachken achlastin. Lut is sipichen tachlastin. Lut is sipichen tachlastin. Why hast ich chkulam pepes nakseluch tali hast? Hotlapna pigskin hitum. Very good job, my relatives. Now I'm going to help you out a little bit with this lesson. Chlastin, I wear. Chlastich, you wear. Chlastis, him, her, it wears. So those sounds you hear at the end of the word. In our language, some of our markers are at the end of the word. Chlastin, the N is saying I wear it. Chlastich, use your hand gesture. The breath of air that goes outward is for you. Chlastich. Chlastis, the S. The S is for him, her, it. All these sounds, these markers are there to clue us in on who is being talked about and what is being talked about. So keep on the good work. Chastish chkulamp, super proud of you. Lim tipis naksiluk ulwai, ninuis atwiklamen.